In this video, guys, we're going to go and use Bart AI to help us start a brand new store on the Shopify platform, and we're going to ask what kind of products, how we're going to structure our business, and how we can outperform our competitors. Remember, all this information will be coming from Google, so information is very up to date and it's very, very interesting how other people share their information. Remember, this is summary of pictures, videos, blog posts, comments. We're gonna get access to all this just with a single prompt over here. So I want to start an e-commerce store on Shopify. Please advise a strategy, products, and marketing approach so I can be successful. Boom. Very easy, very simple, guys. All the other case studies on my channel over here, guys, you need to go through each one of it, okay? You're gonna learn so many things about how to use AI and make tons of money, okay? Let's see what they actually pump this time. Great choice, Shopify, fantastic platform, okay? Product selection, find a niche, don't try to compete with everything. Instead, find a niche market with underserved needs, okay, we know that. Passion matters, choose products you're genuinely excited about. That doesn't sound like a good idea. Consider profitability, analyze potential. Okay, strategy, brand identity, develop a street. This might not be what we're looking for, guys. Okay, my bad. I was looking to do drop shipping. Let's see the version of the business without branding and this and that. The changes things a bit general, okay. Niche selection, okay, still. Look for products with high perceived value, low competition, and potential for recurring purchases. Consider unique items. Recurring purchases is something that I haven't heard recently. That's a good idea. For example, if you can sell something that people will be coming back and buying every week, every month, you know exactly how much. It's very predictable sources of revenue or potential margin. Sounds very, very good. So inventory management, supplier selection. I have a couple of videos here on CJ dropshipping tutorial, guys, on my channel. You want to make sure you look at them. I also have a full tutorial on Shopify how to register, how to set up your store. So you want to make sure you check the selection over here. Let's see what they advise us on marketing strategy. Social media influencers, yeah, we know that. Pay advertising, we know that. Fresh sales and promotions, email marketing, additional tips, focus on product quality. That's nothing we can actually regulate. It's coming from China. Transparent communications, be upfront about your dropshipping model, communicate with potential shipping delays. Okay, that's correct. Focus on customer service. Okay, virtual assistant meaning. Remember, success in dropshipping requires dedication, hard working, continuous adaptation. Well, guys, I don't think this is perfect, but I truly believe if we spend another maybe half an hour, 45 minutes up to an hour asking the right, more niche down questions after we choose our product and niche, I believe Bart AI could help us and save us a lot of time. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.